front of me is REALME GT7, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off autocorrection. First of all, if you have a suggestion strip at the top of your keyboard, you can launch it. Then click on this gear. Select text correction and scroll down to use this switcher next to autocorrection. This way you can turn it off or on. You can also, if you decided to activate it, use this switcher next to undo autocorrect on backspace to make autocorrection even more helpful while typing. If you don't have a suggestion strip on, you can always go into Devices Settings instead. Then scroll all the way down. Click on System and Update, Keyboard and Input Method, Manage Keyboards, and finally Keyboard. Then hit text correction and operate autocorrection. If you wish to enable suggestion strip, use this switcher next to show suggestion strip at the top of text correction options. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!